Hello and welcome to another SuperNEC Basics Help video where we're in the output interface, and today I'm going to be showing you how to load output data. As you can see here on the SuperNEC output interface, there is a load button available to you. Basically, this load button is going to be creating another SuperNEC output file. It's useful to note that the output data you actually load now is going to be merged with the already loaded output data. In other words, and what makes SuperNEC quite nifty, is that your results can be shown in multiple output files and they can be viewed simultaneously. Let's just press that load button quickly. And as you can see in the screen in front of you right now, I have test.out and I have test1.out, meaning I've got multiple outputs. And that's all from me. Have a great day.